How to find ESPN Fantasy History. Firstly, install ESPN Fantasy from your App Store or Play Store. After installing, open this on your device. If you haven't already, then log in or sign up to your account. Now you will see an interface like this. At the very top, you will see different kind of panels. Just swipe and click on the category where you have created your team. If you haven't created your team, then simply tap on Create or Join League. You will see that option on the top panel. You will find your team just like this. Click on My Team. Once you're in, at the top, you will see a different tab. Click on League at the very right. Inside League, if you scroll down, you will see the history. At the bottom, you can spot a section called Standings, and there you will find all your history. If you cannot find old leagues or history, then you can use the same ESPN login. History is tied with your login. If you changed your Apple ID or Google login, you may lose access. Also, try to check your Manage My Leagues inside your account. That's all for today. Thank you.